Okay, so I took this chair off my 2002 Jeep Cherokee, Gran Cherokee. I don't know what happened and how this happened, but I got this like this when I bought it. It looks like it was broken right off the frame. It was basically loose in the bracket in the car. It was not. It was tied together with it was tied together with twisted hangers, metal hangers. So what I plan to do, I'm going to weld everything together. All these pieces, these brackets, I'm going to weld them back together, make them nice and strong. And that seat actually attaches to this bracket over here. To remove this bracket, you got a 15 millimeter over here, 15 millimeter on the other side over here, 15 mil on the back. You got to pop this plastic tab off. We got one over here, so four bolts, and then it'll come right off. But you're gonna have to, if you have power seats and if you have a Gran Cherokee, you most likely do. All right, so I welded a little 1/8 inch plate on all the corners. I know the weld looks like shit. I am not a welder. I bought a little Deco mini welder just to do this and like small of the little jobs. I'll get better at welding and maybe I'll get into bigger stuff, but that's it. So what I'm gonna do is drill holes in every one of these corners and then mount it on these bolts over here on the sliding mechanism. So what I'm gonna do here is, as well as putting the bolts on, all 4 bolts, I'm also going to do a little bead of a weld on it just to give it some extra strength. I went to a junkyard the other day and was actually looking for the driver's side seat of a Jeep Cherokee 02, and the guy told me that as soon as they come in, they fly off the shelf. So I guess this is a common issue based on what he said. So fixing it is my only option right now. All right, so I did the welds, the four corner welds. Then I made a hole in the welds on each corner, and then I kind of welded a little bit to the frame. I can't see it, it's under this, to the frame, to give it some additional security. And now it's time to put it back in. Okay, so here's the final product with the seat installed. I put seat covers on the driver's seat and the passenger seat. I took each seat out, so only 4 bolts, like I said before. To install the seat covers, it makes it a whole lot easier, and that's it. That's how you do it.